Here's what would happen if you dug a hole straight through Mars. Now, at first glance, Mars looks like a silent, empty desert. But look, it's Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. It exists because Mars has no plate tectonics. So heat just built up under one spot for millions of years. If you tried to dig through Mars, you'd be cutting through one of the thickest, rockiest planetary crusts in the whole solar system. You'd also have to watch out for that iconic red dust. It's filled with perchlorates that stick to everything, including your spacesuit. When you start digging, you'll hit a volcanic crust 10 to 50 kilometers thick. Below that is a heavy mantle about 1,800 kilometers thick. And deeper down, Mars has a molten core with a radius of about 1,500 to 2,100 kilometers, made of iron, nickel, and sulfur. Mars lost its magnetic field a long time ago, probably due to the core cooling too quickly. Now, when you jump into your hole, you'd start accelerating downward, not nearly as fast as you would on Earth, since Mars's gravity is only 38% as strong as ours. But once you get past the mantle and closer to the center, things would get weird. As you got closer to the center, there'd be a mass pulling you downward. Gravity starts getting weak, and by the time you reach the middle of Mars, after about 30-40 minutes of falling, Mars would be pulling on you equally in all directions. If you could somehow be teleported to that exact center, you'd probably float there forever. But since you're moving in an ideal physics environment, you'd shoot down the molten core, rise up the other side, stop at the surface, and fall all the way back down again. Back past the core, back to the surface, over and over, basically forever. So we might want to stick to digging holes on Earth because